You know what's the biggest dilemma a wine enthusiast faces? A suitable place to store their wines at home. Well, fret not, we've got the answer. Carasel's Wine Chiller. You can store your wine at their ideal temperatures using the dual temperature zone feature. The automated digital control panel makes it even more convenient to use. These wooden shelves elevate your experience, giving you the feeling of having a miniature wine cellar right at home. This 24 bottle capacity wine chiller is complete with a sleek black body and anti-UV glass door. This wine chiller isn't just a cooling appliance, it's an experience. With spacious and cavernous separate chambers, this wine chiller has dedicated zones for white wine, red wine, or any wine of your choice. Most importantly, the wine chiller features a compressor with direct cooling system, making you ever ready for on-the-go parties and intimate gatherings. Carousel